Ko All India Trinamool Congress TMC kaladawa da gajing thokit halor gajing keno bakaseng NPP kabasensyar hagajala Meghalaya kapenon kam yag pisa be an ban kringi ki MLA ni ki pat kiseng san perthai. Umintri rang ba barim gajala badeiru unong yalam ke TMC umukul sangma ulapen pawi gajing sngokya halor gajing keno ki boong ba ke NPP kadon kti ha ki kam be an ki bakan thup ya kapisa drok gajing ti dew yong be an ba gajing le thok ye ki kam kontrak. Usang maula kintu ya sorkar ban tuklar ya kini gijing keno ki bakya barula banjur ya gijing don kam jong gijing long khot ya ki kam kijang. Usang maula kedawru baka TMC kala ban wan ra ya kini kamat ha kaying darbar jala. Ulapan pawi gijing ta ka bakum kini ki kam kila ban kta ekru kam senchar pat ba da ka bakadaw baka jing her jong kinong persya ha kaying darbar kala ban bo jing ma ya gijing klan bat jing long bane jong ka senchar pat ba ka jala. Usang maula kentu shushu ikipat ba ka Meghalaya bandawa ya kajingit kle na kalyang senchar. Kini kajing sngokya kimi adin kajing keno jong presiden ka Congress Vincent H. Pala ubala keno ba ka NPP ka lakro ikilaingut ki MLA ka Congress da ka ba penon kam de ki but ki babunjai. Usang maula kedaw ba kajing don jong ki kambean hanong ba Shillong kam tam hagi jaka kum ka Police Bazar ka peni ba kum kini ki kam kimla banjia klem kanu kajing kersyan jong ki por sarkar.
I think you have read it well, and that's why the question is directed in that line. Now you see, as far as I am aware, that this effort has been on. It is not the first time post 2023 election. You have seen how they were desperate to engage in the so-called poaching in 2018. You have seen the case of the honorable elected member, the then honorable elected member from Ranipur, how he fell prey into the whole poaching endeavor, which itself is unethical and does not augur well for the state. Then you have seen the similar thing post 2023 election, merger of PDM with NPP. What is the reason? Is there any justification? Is there any political situation which resulted into making the members of the political party to march? It is all nothing but the whole. Again, it revolves around the issue of poaching of the elected representatives in August. So it also reflects their desperation to remain in power, come what may. So similar thing has happened now, which is before all of us, and these are not something which augur well for the state. Meghalaya usually was not a witness to this kind of politics. But then, if we hear the background, which ultimately culminated into this development, political development, I think it is something which is a matter of great concern for the people of the state. Elected as Congress members. This is the difference. Is it cohesive? Is it cohesive? I doubt. So I think this will suffice.
So looking at the
Themselves are not cohesive. They themselves don't trust their own members. Let me be blunt. You do a little bit of more investigative journalism, you will know what I'm saying. And maybe you will see it sooner than later,
Is the NPP also approaching TFC and how will you keep your flocks intact?
I have full trust and confidence on my members. I think we have demonstrated that earlier also in the past. You see, you have to understand another angle. Now, well, with no intent to offend anybody, but it is also important for every party to ensure that their members stay, as committed members of the party with a collective resolve to fulfill the vested responsibilities. Now, unfortunately, what has happened probably, it can be attributed to the party itself also. There must have been some cold war going on for reasonable period of time, resulting in this showdown. So there are many factors that you have to find out, and then it is not my job to ask the Congress leadership. But I have every reason to believe, because I know all of them. They were part and parcel of my party when I was in the Grand Old Party prior to merging with TMC. Now please understand here the different thing. Pre-2023, when we marched into 2021, we have marched to a new political party with an intent to give an alternative political platform, not with an intent to be in power prior to election, so that we can go to the people, provide this alternative political platform. So that is the difference. But the instant cases are completely to be part of the government, the desperation to be in power. Now, I don't find any reason why MLS should be so desperate to be part of the ruling dispensation unless there are some instances of inducement. Now, you have to pick up one very crucial, important part of the statement of the Congress President, Pradesh Congress President. He has been blunt in saying that the party in the current ruling dispensation have engaged in poaching through inducement by using whatever money they have been alleged of. So now the leadership of the present political dispensation in power must come clean on this. Yeah, they must come clean. People have to ask them, are you really engaging in these illegalities? Something which is of a great concern for the state and the people. If there are reasons to believe that illegal monies are being used, then where are these illegal monies coming from? And the illegal monies from what? So that means the people have to ask questions. The government has to come clean on this. They cannot just keep quiet. They cannot just shy away. It's a very, very serious allegation, because if the allegations are true, then you can understand what kind of future we are going to see unfolding in the coming years. And I have also reasons to believe, based on whatever inputs I am getting. You go to Police Bazaar in the evening, you go. I am told, I am asked to go and see. Go anywhere in different parts of Shillong. You will see what kinds of illegalities are happening, and it is happening right in this capital city. Is it something which really which can happen with such an impunity unless there is some patronage? Therefore, as these allegations have come, the government and the leadership must come clean on this. And I urge an investigation on this front. There are 3 allegations. 3. One is on illegal money coming from alleged illegal money coming from drug. Another one is alleged illegal money coming from illegal mining. And another one, manipulation of contract work. So, if these 3 allegations have come, and therefore there is a need, the House should discuss it. Yeah, the House should discuss it. Where are the? I was looking at, the spaces available under the rules of procedure and conduct of business. Where do we get this chance to discuss? The only chance is through an adjournment motion and under a no confidence motion against the government. These are the only 2 provisions. So we'll have to examine all these available spaces, but then given the kind of situation now in the August House, it is, we'll have to know how to deal with the situation. So in a way, the whole drama that has unfolded into this recent development, political development, indirectly has a resultant impact on the balance of the whole ecosystem in our healthy democratic practice.